Alright guys, check this out. So I got these Pinkaboo Pineberries. You can get these at Costco, and basically they are some neat type of crossed strawberries. So let's open this up and we're gonna see what they taste like. Okay, so that's what they look like. Look at the little white to it, and there's no real aroma out of it. So let's do a quick, I'm gonna wash this one and I'll be right back. Yeah, good look at that strawberry there. Okay, so I just washed it, and there we go. Okay, so the texture is way more firm. To me, it still tastes like a strawberry, and just more firm and less sweet, kind of more sourish. But yeah, it's just more firm. Sort of like just has like more water, more firm, and just doesn't have a lot of like strawberry aroma out of it. So definitely check it out, guys. It's not bad. If you have any questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.